Good morning, students. Let us look at furthermore rate of change sums. Read this question now. A solid sphere has radius r and surface area a and volume v. The radius is increasing at a rate of 1 by 5 pi. Means dr by dt is given to be 1 by 5 pi. This is what you need to be clear of first. What is increasing? Rate means dt. Radius is increasing, so dr by dt equal to 1 by 5 pi. Next, find the rate of increase of surface area. Rate of increase of surface area means dA by dt I need to find out. When r equal to 3 is the question mark, is for the A bit. Are we clear with the question? Nothing else is given, right? Now, what is surface area for sphere? Formula 4 pi r square. So, if I find out first dA by dr, how much will I get? 8 pi r. So, now dA by dt, how much will I get? The same thing along with d by dt of what letter do you have? That letter you get over here. Is it clear? So, now dA by dt when r equal to 3, how much you get? It is 8 pi into 3 into dr by dt is 1 by 5 pi. Pi gets cancelled, 24 by 5 is the answer. Are we clear? Now look at B1. The rate of increase of volume. So now rate of increase of volume means dV by dt you need to find when R is 5 is the question mark. Okay. So generally what is the volume of sphere formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. So how much is dV by dr? 4 by 3 pi into 3 r square. So from that dV by dt, how much will you get? 4 pi r square into d by dt of what letter you have here? That comes over here. So now dV by dt when r equal to 3 is 4 pi into 3 square into dr by dt is 1 by 5 pi. Pi gets cancelled. Right? Okay, this time r value is 5. So here it is 5. So 5 square 25 by 5, 5 into 4 is 20. So this is answer. Are we clear how we are doing all these sums? Now look at next sum. The square has side length x centimeters and area A. The area is increasing at a rate of 0.03. What is increasing? Area. So dA by dt equal to 0.03. Find the rate of increase of x. So dx by dt equal to how much is the question mark? When area equal to 25. So what is the area of a square formula? It is x square equal to 25. So x is 5. So indirectly they are asking when the value of x is 5, how much will dx by dt be? They directly did not give the value for x. They gave me area. I found out that x value should be 5. Now what is area of a square formula? X square. So dA by dx equal to 2x. So dA by dt equal to how much do I get? I get 2x into d by dt of whatever letter is there here, x. So now dA by dt given as 0.03 and x value we found to be 5 and dx by dt is what we need to find out. So dx by dt equal to this is 10 and this 10 goes as denominator. I get one more decimal. So 0.003 is the answer. Am I clear with this? Look at one more sum now. A solid metal cuboid has dimensions x, x and 4x. The cuboid is heated and volume is increasing at a rate of 0.05 centimeter cube per second. So what is it? dV by dt equal to 0.15. Looking at the units also you can write this particular stuff. Find the rate of increase of x. So they are asking at what rate is x increasing. when the x value is 2. First you need to understand the question and write what all are given. Now what is volume of a cuboid formula? It's LBH. L is x, B also x, height is 4x. So that is 4x cube. So dv by dx, how much will I get? 4 into 3 is 12x square I get. dv by dx is that much. So dv by dt equal to how much do I get? 12x square into d by dt of whatever letter is there. Clear so far? Yeah, now dv by dt, how much is it given? 0.15 equal to 12 into x value is 2. So it is 2 square. Dx by dt is what I need to find out. So dx by dt equal to, here it is 4, 12 into 4 is 48. Send it as the denominator. I get 1 by 320. That is my answer. Am I clear with all these sums? Once you get dv by dx, then you write dv by dt. Without getting this, if you directly write it, it will go wrong at some point or the other. So first write this, follow this. Proper method is write the given data, formula dv by dx, dv by dt, substitute and get whatever he is asking. Are we clear so far? Now look at next sum. A closed circular cylinder has a radius r and surface area is given by 2 pi r square plus 400 pi by r. The radius is increasing at a rate of this. So radius is increasing, write that first itself. dr by dt equal to 0.25. First write whatever is given. That will avoid confusion. Next, find the rate of change of A. That means you need to find dA by dt. When do I need to find this? When R value is 10. Is my question clear? Yeah, now we'll make use of what is given. Given is area equal to 2 pi r square plus 400 pi by r. Now I'll find dA by d not x here. Here r is the letter, so dA by d r I will find out. How much will I get? Here it is 2 pi. For r square it is 2r. Here can I differentiate it directly? No, first I need to send it up. So it is 2 pi r square plus 400 pi into r power minus 1. Am I clear? Now it becomes 400 pi into r power minus 1 is minus 1 into r power minus 1 is r power minus 2. So which is 4 pi r minus 400 pi into r power minus 2 is my dA by dr. Now I want dA by dt. So write as it is whatever you got here first, 400 pi r power minus 2. At last, for the entire expression, you need to put d by dt of whatever letter is present over here. Clear? For the entire expression, this should be kept. If you don't put this, it's considered wrong. Now what do I need to find dA by dt? When r is 10, so it is 4 pi into 10 minus 400 pi into 10 power minus 2. And dr by dt is given to be 0.25. Simplify this, the answer I get is 9 pi. So that is the rate of change of A when given value for R is 10. Am I clear with the question? Look at it one more time. First, rate of increase of R is given. That we wrote. Rate of change of A. At which value for R? When R is 10 is the question mark. Then given A formula is this much. Directly I couldn't differentiate, so I am taking it up. Now I can get it. dA by dr is for r square it is 2r, for r power minus 1 into r power minus 2. 400 into minus 1 minus 400 I get. Then dA by dt. Here dA by dr it is. To get dA by dt, write whatever you got here. At last just add d by dt of whatever letter is present here, r. So now r is 10. So dA by dt when given r value equal to 10 is what they are asking. So replace r by 10. I got 9 pi, that is the answer. Clear with this kind of sums?